Alright, so the first one we're looking at, an electron with speed, oh, I just dropped my surface. A speed 3 times 10 to the third meters per second is moving in a circle perpendicular to a 0.001 Tesla uniform magnetic field. What is the acceleration of the electron? So we know that it's moving perpendicular to the magnetic field, so we don't really have to draw anything or do anything about the right-hand rule, but we can anyway, because why not? It's kind of fun. We got time now because of the stuff. So you're saying it's moving in a circle, and it's moving kind of in this plane. And we're saying the magnetic field is looking something like that. Maybe, who knows? And we know that when we have a magnetic field that is perpendicular to the direction of velocity, we have a force. And we know that when we have force, we have an acceleration. So we know that the magnetic force equals charge times the velocity cross B. It's kind of like our cross product, but we say, hey, we already know the directions and we don't care about the direction, we just care about the amount. So you can say F equals the Q times the velocity, 3 times 10 to the third, times the magnetic field, 0.001. And now we're like, okay, well, let's set up an equation for acceleration. We know F equals ma, so if we know the mass of the electron times acceleration equals the charge of an electron times 3 times 10 to the third times 0.001. So we don't know these things, hopefully, off the top of our head. And actually, let's solve this for A. A equals and then we'll divide everything by mass of an electron. So we don't really know this off the top of our head, hopefully, but that's why they give us the equation sheet. So we can look at that and say, okay, I need to look for the charge of an electron and the mass of an electron. So the mass of an electron is 9.11 times 10 to the negative 31st kilograms. Pretty low. That electron's been working out. Ha ha ha. Oh, that's the charge. Hold on. 9.11 times 10 to the negative 31. And then we want the charge of electron, which is also on our sheet. The electron charge magnitude, 1.60 times 10 to the negative 19th coulombs. Let's plug that in. 1.60 times 10 to the negative 19th coulombs times 3 times 10 to the third. That's 0.001. All we got to do is plug that bad boy into our calculator. Let's see, 1.6, oops, e negative 19. 1 equals this, divided by 9.11 10 to the negative 31st. We end up with a very big number, but it starts with a 5, so I'm going to guess that it's this one, D. All right. Cool, cool, cool. I'll see y'all in the next one.